So students, welcome to our maths class, dear 9th class students. Continuation of lines and angles. We are going little slow because this is plane geometry chapter and we can't go fast, and that too first time you are attending these digital classes, so you may get confusion. So little slow only. And of course we completed we are the last problem in exercise 7.4.3, and after that we go to the next exercise, which is the last exercise. See here, 4.3 19th second bit. Draw the figure, students. See the textbook, draw the figure, draw the diagram. AB is a line, CD is a line, both are parallel. There is a point E. There is a point E. The question is, find this angle. Find this X. Find X. Simple question. Find X. And the given data is, of course, this is given, students, 35. This is given 65. Find X. Write down. In the adjacent figure, AB is parallel to CD. That is given. For finding X value, I am doing a small construction. That you have to remember. From E, I am drawing a horizontal line. Through E, draw a line parallel to this. Write down that. Through E, draw a line parallel to AB and CD. Of course, if this is parallel to this, then it will be parallel to this also, because these two are parallel now. So I have drawn one. I did one construction. Through E, draw a line parallel to AB and also parallel to CD. This X value we have to find, students. Very simple. I will take this value as Y, this value as Z. This side Y, I am dividing the X into two parts. One is this side Y, this is Z. Angle Y is equal to 35 degrees. What is the reason, students? Y is equal to 35 degrees. This Y is equal to 35. See, this is CD, this is E, F. Forget about this below portion. 35 is equal to Y. Y is equal to 35. This is 35, this is Y, so Y is equal to 35. The reason is interior alternate angles. Alternate angles. Angle Y is equal to angle 35, alternate angles. Y is equal to 35, alternate angles. Same way, forget about this. So Z is equal to 65, alternate angles. Also, angle Z is equal to 65 degrees, alternate angles. Z is equal to 65, alternate angles. Y is equal to 35 alternate, Z is equal to 65 alternate. Simple concept. Majority of the cases we are using alternate angle concept. You have to know if two lines are parallel, if this is a transversal, both are interior and opposite sides of the transversal are called alternate angles. But it is little difficult to identify, but by practice you will get. So this and this are alternate angles. But we have to find x value. X is nothing but y plus z. X is equal to y plus z. Y is 35, Z is 65, total 100 degrees. Right, that's all. X is 100. Y is equal to 35 alternate angles, Z is equal to 65 alternate angles. Y plus Z gives X. Total angle is X. We have to find X value, which is the total angle. X is equal to Y plus Z. Y is 35, Z is 65, that is nothing but 100. Right. That's all. Next bit, you copy the figure from the textbook, student. What is this total angle? That is the question. Write down, students. In the given figure, AB parallel to CD, AB parallel to CD. It is given. We have to find this total angle. Here also I am doing a construction, students. I am doing a construction. Through M, I will draw a parallel line which is parallel to both the lines. New line I am drawing. New line. Through M, draw a line parallel to through M, draw a line parallel to AB and also CD. Through M, draw a line parallel to AB and CD. Now to find x value, first I will find this angle, I will find this angle, then I will find x value. So how to find y value? See here students. These two are parallel lines. Parallel lines, this is a transversal. These two are interior angles on opposite sides of the transversal. These two are alternate angles. Angle y is equal to angle 35. Y is equal to 35. Alternate angles. Angle y is equal to angle 35, alternate angles. See here, these two are parallel transversal. Z is equal to 75, alternate angles. Z is equal to 75, alternate angles. Then, actually question is x. See here students, x plus y plus z is equal to 360. Total angle students. What is the total sum? Round angle, circle angle, total angle. X, see, x plus y plus z. What is the total angle? 360. Y plus z plus x. Total is 360. Complete angle, one rotation. So x we don't know, we have to find. Y is 35, z is 75 is equal to 360. So x plus 35 plus 75 is 110. Or alternate angle concept, in many cases we are using students. Y is simply equal to z alternate angles without any solution, just a statement. Y is equal to z, that's all. What this is 35 is this is 35. Y is equal to 35. Same way, these two are alternate angles. Z is equal to 75. So z is equal to 75. X plus y plus z is 360. X plus y 35, z 75. So 110 that side minus 110. Total 250 degrees. So let us okay, this exercise is over. Remaining anything left, you do it. So now we go to the next exercise. For that I will give one new concept. Complete this. Next one new concept students, it is about the triangle. See here. See here. If one side of a triangle is produced, any side, this side may be produced this side or this side may be produced this side or this side, this may be produced this side or this side, any side is produced. So I am explaining this only. So if one side of a triangle is produced, so the exterior angle is equal to sum of two interior opposite angles. So that is the concept. This Z is equal to interior opposite angles. It's opposite, x plus y. So angle x plus angle y is equal to angle Z. So if one side of a triangle is produced, the exterior angle is equal to sum of two interior opposite angles. For this, a small proof is there. You can go through that example. So you see it. So x plus y is equal to z. That means this is angle A. We can call it as a BAC angle. ABC angle is equal to ACD angle. See here. Angle ACD, the exterior angle so formed is equal to sum of two interior angles, angle BAC. This angle plus this angle is ABC. Write down the statement, students. In a triangle, if one side is produced, the exterior angle so formed. In a triangle, if one side is produced, the exterior angle so formed is equal to interior opposite angles. Exterior angle so formed is equal to interior opposite angles. In the adjacent figure, you write down these two steps. Exterior angle is equal to sum of two interior opposite angles. Very, very important concept for the next exercise. The only concept for the next exercise. Of course, we use alternate angles, supplementary angles, that is corresponding angles, vertically opposite angles. Sum of three angles in a triangle is 180 degrees, and perpendicular means 90 degrees, straight line angle is 180 degrees, total angle is 360 degrees. We all use all these concepts. In addition to that, one extra concept we got. This external angle is equal to sum of two interior opposite angles. X plus y is equal to z. Write down this and open the textbooks. Sorry, exercise 4.4, last exercise. First question, we have 3 bits, students. Find x. Just now I gave the concept, students. If one side of a triangle is produced, the exterior angle is equal to sum of two interior opposite angles. So x degrees is equal to this is equal to this plus this. That's all. So you write down the reason also. Write down. In triangle ABC, write down. In triangle ABC, BC is produced. The side BC is produced to side BC is produced. Then the exterior angle so formed is equal to sum of two interior opposite angles. Exterior angle so formed is equal to sum of two interior opposite angles. Sum of two interior opposite angles. Therefore, every time if you write that statement, you can remember it. So this exterior angle formed is equal to sum of two interior opposite angles. Now don't include this, opposite, this plus this. X is equal to 50 plus 60. Same reason you write here. EF side is produced. This is equal to, see here, in triangle AFG, this side is produced. This exterior angle is equal to sum of two interior opposite angles. Angle Z is equal to 60 plus 70. That's all. This exterior angle is equal to sum of two interior opposite angles. 60 plus 70 is equal to Z. Z is equal to 60 plus 70, that is 130. Next bit. Third bit also same, do it. Students, this side is produced. This side is produced. Exterior angle is equal to sum of two interior opposite angles. This side is produced. This exterior angle is equal to sum of two interior opposite angles. That means y is equal to 45 plus 35. That's all. The reason is when the QR side is produced, the side QR is produced, the exterior angle so formed is equal to sum of two interior opposite angles. Write down that reason and write y. QR side is produced, the exterior angle so formed is equal to sum of two interior opposite angles. Angle Y is equal to 35 plus 45, which is 80. So same concept is used throughout this exercise. You practice this concept, students. So this exterior angle is equal to sum of two interior opposite angles. Another way also you can do it. This is, see, sum of three angles 180 degrees. This is 35, this is 45, 80. 80 means this is 100. 100 means total angle in a straight line is 180. If this is 100 means this will be 80. Like that also. So many ways you can do it. See, sum of three angles in a triangle is 180. 45 plus 35 is 80. 80 plus this should be 100. So the total is 180 in a triangle. If this is 100, this will be 80 because total angle of the straight line is 180 degrees. And straight angle. Like that also you get. Or exterior angle is equal to sum of two interior opposite angles. Okay. So practice this.